Hi, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I'd like to show you how you can identify and merge duplicate contacts within your command account. So sometimes you may have the same contact added in multiple times in your command if they don't have the same primary phone number and or same primary email address. That's how command identifies if it is a duplicate or not. So when you're in your command contacts over here on the left, second icon down, you can go ahead and come to the three dots right here and click check for duplicates. You'll get a banner at the bottom saying scanning for duplicates, and it may take several moments. It actually usually doesn't take that long. If you hit refresh on your browser, you should notice a notification right here, and it should let you know database scan has been completed. Once it is, again, if you're working with a much larger database, it may actually take a couple of minutes. But when you're ready, you can click review duplicates. So when you come here, it's taking you back into your back settings of your command. You'll notice that at the top left. And you're under command settings and under database cleanup. You can also get to the same place by clicking your name in the top right, going to settings. It will bring you to the same page, and you'll just need to click command settings and database cleanup to get to the same spot. So it will show you your duplicates right here. And now you do get to choose which contact you retain and which contact is actually going to be merged or absorbed into the other contact. So you can go ahead and review these contacts right here. And if you know right off the bat, definitely not the same person, you can click ignore and it will no longer try to show you those two contacts and get you to merge them. But if you look at them and you're kind of like, yeah, that might actually be the same person, you can come right here and click merge. Now notice that it has an arrow showing which direction this is going to go into. So this would be the one that gets merged or absorbed, would go away. And this is the one that you would get to keep. Okay. Typically, you would get to choose which one you want to keep and which ones you want to merge. However, in this particular case, you'll notice this particular contact on the right has active connections like opportunities that it's linked to. So the system is trying to help you and wants you to keep that particular one so that you do not lose a contact that is linked to things like an opportunity. So you can go ahead and click show more fields and review the data. So you will be able to see what will be lost or merged or absorbed, excuse me. If you need more details, like see how this has a phone number, but this contact doesn't have a phone number. So this phone number will be added to the contact you keep. And on some of the other items, like they both have the same tag. So this one will keep that tag. There's no data loss there. If it had some other information on the left-hand side, there are some cases where the information might not get absorbed or merged. And so if you have any questions about that, you can reach out to us and we can give you a full breakdown of what will be absorbed, what will be added, and what may possibly be lost. But let's say you're okay with exactly this information. You want this phone number added to this contact, and there looks like there's no other significant data that we would need to be concerned about losing. So we can go ahead and click continue. It's letting you review and finalize the merge. It shows you the way that the information was merged all together. It does only show relevant fields, and you can choose show all if you would like to see more. So it did go ahead and merge the phone number, the email, and of course that tag was already there, along with keeping the same data that was on the contact we wanted to keep. So now we can click merge and delete duplicate. And that's it for merging and complete combining the duplicates that we had. At any point, you can always come here and check for duplicates as well. And if you have any questions at all, definitely reach out to us via email at support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.